Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing so well, doing so well, doing so well. I hope you all are doing so. Let's jump into the video. Today I'm making some salt mackerel and boiled dumplings. And here are our ingredients that we will be using to make this nice little comfort food. This is comfort food right here. So I'm putting on the salt mackerel, put on the water for the boiled dumpling, and I'm going to add some salt, cover it up, and let's get to kneading the flour. So of course we're adding a bit of salt to our flour, and we're going to try to evenly distribute the salt and just make a little hole in the middle. Pour that water in, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Yes, and you guys know I do it with a big spoon. Just do it with a big spoon. So yes, get it together. Try to get that flour all in one accord. Pour some more water and gets the mixing. So yeah, you just want to get it together with the spoon, and then now that it's looking just right, then I'm gonna go in with clean hands. Guys, please make sure wash your hands, have clean hands before you go to knead that flour. Make sure you wash them hands and get up under them nails. So yeah, knead it, try to get it nice and right. So go in, girl. Kneading. That's looking so good. So yeah, that's the consistency. It looks better. And look at, you see how my hand them clean? That's why I like to use spoons. Well, that's the way that I was taught, but also yeah, it make your hands clean so that when you're ready to, your hand just not full of the dough and stuff. And I'm going to add some flour because when I make them and then I'm going to put them back just to rest into the container for a bit, I don't want them to be sticking together. So I just add a little flour to the dough. So yeah, go ahead and make your dumpling. By the way, guys, if you like cornmeal dumpling, then you would add some cornmeal to so it would be the flour, the cornmeal, and some salt, right? If you put salt in. But yeah, I only like white flour dumpling. I do not like cornmeal dumpling. And as usual, you guys know I go for medium. So medium dumpling there. Body look right and ready. So I asked my husband to take off the salt mackerel because that finished. Pour off the water and set it aside to cool so that when I'm ready, when I'm done with the dumplings, I can go and pick it up, pick out the bones and stuff. So yes, here I am all done. That's the last dumpling, and time to put it in the pot. So the water is bubbling, bubble my friend, and I'm just gonna add them one by one. How many dumplings? A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6. I'm guessing maybe a dozen. 1 dozen, 2 dozen. By the way, how many dumplings you guys eat? So all done, cover that, make it bubble. Now the salt mackerel, right? We are going to pick out them bones. So at first when I was picking out the bones, I was there thinking, oh, the children are going to be eating it, so I have to pick out. I felt like I had to get like every bones. Then I remembered, like, hold on 1 second. It never dawned on me at this point yet. So I'm still there. And then I was like, hold on 1 second. But they are not really going to eat this. It's only me and the boo. So if it's me and the boo, then what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? So yeah, you want to make sure that you get out majority of the bone anyway, even if it's just adults eating it, because for me it kind of just take away from the vibes when you have to be picking out bones. Anyway, you definitely want to make a 1-2 bite and be like, yeah, than to be biting into bones. But yeah, it was right here. I was like, but wait, it's just us? Nah, man. So yeah. And by the way, hubby like the salt mackerel head. He doesn't, I don't like fish head or whatever. So that would be for me. So yeah, here we go. So what I added, I did onions, scallion, smoked minced garlic, and some thyme. And just even to look at this, you know it smells good, right? Smelling so good. Smell proper good. So I'm just sauteing those. And guess what? Of course, you guys know I would not forget. I'm adding sweet peppers. You know I love these. They're my favorite. They make everything taste better. So yeah, add some sweet peppers and we're sauteing those. And guys, the smell that's coming through is everything. And now I'm adding some tomato. So you know, add whatever you like. If you don't like tomato, then don't add it, right? We do what we want to do. We are adults, be cooking in the kitchen. We do what we want to do. So yeah, this needed some more oil. So I just added some more oil. I don't like a lot of oil. You guys know that. But as I said, we are adults. Do what you want to do. So if you want to add more, sure, add more. Full up your pot of oil if that's what you like. So yeah, I'm just going to cover that down. But dumpling! Look, float. Yes. Like when I try, you know, save on a life or something, float up at top. But no worry, I'm gonna eat all of y'all's. Looking so, them look nice, see? And yes, come true, so nice. Look at the steam. I am is ready. So yes, we're gonna add the salt mackerel. Ooh, guys, what? I am so excited. This is, I mean, some serious level of comfort food. This, you know, for Jamaicans, some serious level of comfort food. Love. So stir it up and look. And I'm adding some pimento powder. So you would add your pimento seed if you have it. I love to add pimento powder because it just get to the point. Add a little ketchup, just a bit, and stir it up. You try to combine everybody together in one accord. Yes, in one accord. Looks so good. Hey, pretty. Now we're adding some black pepper. Adding a little black pepper in there. And of course, I did add a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Because you know it have to have a little kicking out. It has to be kicking a bit. Oh, cover you down. Vibes fam, uno did see the look pan the bubbling, bubble, pepper, my friend pepper, I see up on top. Yes, ready. Pot look good. Yes, salt mackerel, love it. I have another video of mackerel rundown. I will put that in the link down below. Vibes fam, see we here, see what pot of food, well, see what plate of food here, dish out and ready to go. How many dumplings you want? How many? Tell me. Me have 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Hey, my friend Red Pepper, you still come back in at the front of the video like tomato on shine and look good red. So, vibes fam, When I tell you nice, like sugar and spice, and you know sugar nice and you know spice nice. All if sugar not good for you, sugar nice, right? It's the truth. But yes, this is so good to do. Good, delicious, love. I was eating, by the way, comment down below and tell me if you guys dance when you're eating, when the food really sweet here. I'm a dancer. I'm a eater dancer. I do dance when I'm eating. If it's even a leg shake, something is moving. So yeah, VYBZ FAM, thank you so much for watching, and as usual for hanging out with me. Please subscribe and hit the like button. God bless you.